Once again, all you need is the same number 4 insert bit and a driver to take off the housing that covers the anvil and the hammer area. So I've started these screws already to get them going. 4 socket head cap screws once again. The cover comes off. This area should be full of grease, but if it's not, you want to inspect it and replace it as needed. So we've already got a new anvil in there. Let's take that back out again temporarily and set it aside. And the rest of it that comes out is the hammer mechanism. Now the hammer mechanism consists of the hammer cage, the hammer itself, and 2 pins that hold everything together. The hammer repair kit gives you fresh replacements for all these items, and it comes already assembled. If it's loose inside the bag, it's very easy to slide these pins back in because there's no threads on them. They just are held in with pressure and grease. So you simply turn the gun over, put the hammer in, and put your new anvil back in as well. And while you're in there, you may inspect the gasket that goes around the housing to see if it's intact. If not, you got a new gasket with your air motor repair kit that serves this purpose. So if you've got that gasket handy, you can drop that in. Simply put the cover back on and install your 4 socket head cap screws and tighten them down.